Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's video, I'm coming to you with a new palette from NYX. It is called their Mystic Petals. This is what they look like. I have both the Midnight Orchid, which is this one, and also have the Dark Majestic, which is this one. So we have Midnight Orchid, Dark Majestic. Today I'm going to be using the purple one, of course, because purple is my favorite color. If you are new to the channel, I would love it if you would join the BeautyBySNicole family. In the meantime, let's get into this look. So this is what the palette looks like open. It has the typical NYX clear lid, which you can see the colors. They consist of matte, satin, and shimmers. And I'm going to be doing a purple look for you today. So let's see what this palette is all about. To conceal my eyes, I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00. And so I am just simply blending this concealer in as my eyeshadow base. And my kids are outside playing, so if you hear something in the background, that is my children in the background playing. So to start off, I'm going to go in using a Morphe 503 brush. I'm going to take this shade here. The thing about the NYX palettes, they do not have names, so I have to just show you what I'm going to use. So I'm going to start off with this purple here. So I'm just going to pack that into my crease. And I'm just blending this out. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter purple here and blend that out. That is a matte. The first one was a satin. So like I said, there's no kickback, so that's great. Now I'm going to go in and cut my crease. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to grab the same brush again, and I'm going to go back in with I'm going to grab this purple here and some of this black. Tap some of that off and smoke out the outer portions. See the smokiness? For my spotlight, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a purple shimmer duochrome, right on the center. For my inner V, I'm using this purple here and this purple here, and I'm mixing the two for my inner V. I'm just tapping this on. I will say with this palette, it's pigmented. However, you have to pack on the color to get the pigmentation that you desire. So this is what it looks like, just dry, without any Fix Plus or any other type of setting spray you may have. Let me just tapping it. I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. There's another purple shade here that I want to try. It's right here, and I'm going to put this right here, right in between the two purples to see what it looks like. I'm going to put it on with my finger. So I will say that these shadows apply best to me with your finger, and my hands are clean because I am doing makeups. For those who may be wondering, but I see they go on much better just tapping them on with your finger. To smudge my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with that same purple I just used. I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line. They definitely do better, like I said, wet. I'm just going to cover that outer V with some black. That's my little simple look. And I'm just taking a Morphe 330 pointed blender brush just to make sure that everything is diffused and blended in. The one I featured today is the Midnight Orchid. I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I have my lashes on. This is a very good palette. I would recommend this palette, the Mystic Petals by NYX. It costs $12. You can get it from NYX. I'm not sure if it's available yet at Ulta, but this is what the palette looks like. It's called Mystic Petals. This is Midnight Orchid. So if you love purples, it has a couple pinks in here. But if you love purples, this is a good little travel-friendly palette. It doesn't come with the mirror, but it has hard plastic. Once it's closed, it's very sturdy and closed. Easy to open. Doesn't come with any brush, any mirrors, or anything. So that's why the price point is so low of $12. But I would definitely recommend this palette. If you like this look and you want to see more looks like this, then I want you to hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments down below. how you think this looks, or your thoughts on this look. And I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Until then, God bless.